abnormal situation. Can not understand what happens with the car. Like all good, but not working. I'm doing calibration. It's doing, I don't know what it's doing. Now I will show you. So this is what's going on in process of calibration, of learning. All checked, all on the place must be mark okay, like. So I'm removing the gears actuator. So the actuator is removed. Let's check. Oh, brushes, little brushes. And this much more better. Some garbage. Okay. So one motor in excellent condition and another one, you see, but the brush I see that is copper not contacted. Okay, let's do it. So all ready. Yeah. Yo, yeah. Let's go. So I will install it without the sensors. Like this is much more easy. I will install the sensor after that. I checked all gears, all okay, all working. Why it's not doing calibration, I don't know. We'll see. So all installed back, connected. The moment of truth. Not working. So I have the neutral, but I did calibration maybe 20 times. I changed each of them maybe 3 times, but when I installed this bolt, it did calibration. Now let's try again. so it's working. But when I received the car, I tried and it was not working. So what I did, I renewed the motor. That's all. Now I will try another sensor. So I installed another sensor. This was before the stopper, and now I will try again. It's working. It's working only with the stopper, bolt 18. Now I will remove it and try again. Boom. So the what result, it can be calibrated with stopper or without stopper. Need to try, because I tried a lot. 1, 2, 3. I checked all wires. Look at this. I have 2 batteries, charger. I checked all connectors for resistance. All okay. You see? But I see the problem like this only first time, because usually some of cars working without stopper, but this car only with stopper.